Test tubes are small cylinder container, with U-shaped bottom and open top, for easy pouring and cleaning, made of glass and plastic, used for mixing, heating, storage, and observe reactions, as mentioned in next slide. Test tubes must be compatible to materials, and chemicals, and equipments, and adapt to sizes and volumes and sterility requirements, as mentioned in next slide. Glass test tubes provide excellent visibility for observing reactions, and resist high temperatures and chemical reactions, so, it used for chemical reactions and heating substance, while plastic test tubes are lightweight and disposable test tubes, less prone to breaking, and used for sample collections and short-term storage, as mentioned in next slide. During use, test tubes must wear gloves, and safety glass, and lab coat, and use holders or clamps when handling hot test tubes, and don't overfill test tubes to prevent spills, and clean test tubes after use to avoid contamination, and store test tubes in racks to prevent damage, as mentioned in next slide. Therefore, test tubes, used to heat substances, and chemical reactions, and microbiology culture, and observe reactions across scientific fields, and store samples. On the other hand, test tubes have less capacities, when bigger reactions needed, and have prone thinner base, result spills and breakages, and less effective in transferring and distributing heat. Finally, test tubes, used in chemistry and biochemistry studies, and microbiology studies, and biotechnology studies, and biological studies, and pharmaceutical studies, and other studies.